Hello everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate Arduino Uno based 4 to 20 milliamps loop isolator. So as you can see, this is the view of my loop isolator. So here you can see this is the input current 3.96 milliamps or 4 milliamps, and this is the command for the second loop, the output loop. So here you can see Arduino Uno controlling the LCD. Also Arduino Uno is getting data from this input conditioner and it is controlling the output circuitry. At the input circuitry, I am having a 250 ohms resistor. So I don't have a 250 ohms resistance available. So I have made it using a 330 ohms and a 2.2k resistance in parallel. I will show the circuit diagram now. So here you can see the input voltage. The 24 volts DC is fed to the instrument. The output of the instrument is fed to this 330 ohms and 2.2k resistance connected in parallel. And from here I am tapping the output for the Arduino Uno. So this volt, the equivalent resistance of this circuit has to be 250 ohms. So basically I am getting 0 to 5 volts at this point. At this tapping I am getting 0 to 5 volts. So this tapping is fed to Arduino Uno as the input. So here you can see this is the input signal conditioner. So at the output signal conditioner I am getting PWM data from Arduino Uno. You can see PWM value from Arduino Uno is fed to the transistor base, and the transistor is connected in common emitter configuration, and I am measuring the loop current. You can see here this is the loop current. You can see the loop current. This is 3.83 milliamps DC. You can see. So now if I increase the loop current, you can see I am increasing the input. You can see the command is also increasing. You can see this value is increasing. This is the input and this is the output. So you can see I am increasing the now here you can see I have increased the input. Also the output has changed. You can see. So now I am giving a full scale command. I have given a full scale command. You can see there is a full scale command already. So as you can see here, this is the command. You can see this is the input and this is the output. So the output is fed to the transistor TIP122. So this is the circuitry. Here let us look into the circuitry. So here you can see PWM signal from Arduino Uno is fed to the transistor TIP122, and here is 250 ohms equivalent resistance, and I am measuring the current. So you can see here the current is 6.23 milliamps. You can see the current is 6.23 milliamps, and I am feeding a current of 6.16 milliamps. So now let us issue a full scale command. I have given a full scale command. You can see again. You can see the input current is 19.95 milliamps, and the command output command is 255. It is giving a full command, and you can see here the output current is 20.15 milliamps. You can see the device needs little adjustment. So I have adjusted the device. You can see now the current is 20.02 milliamps and the input current is 19.95 milliamps, or it is 20 milliamps actually. And here you can see this is the command. So now if I reduce the current, you can see the command has changed. The input value has changed. I have given the input command reduced command. The output command for the transistor has changed. And here you can see the current is also 6.12 milliamps. 6.14 is the command. 6.13 is the output. So this is how the loop isolator works. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.